Java code enter HTML file. Now right button click on Windows folder, name is Java. Hit the enter button, again hit the enter button, then right button click new text document, name is java.html. That's delete. Enter the hit button, again hit button, enter. Right button click, open with subline text. Now write HTML boilerplate, HTML, hit the enter button, Java code. Ctrl S save, and now Java HTML open with Google Chrome. Look Java code. Look Java code. Java code URL. Then body. Now write Java code attribute script, SC script. Hello WORLD, hello world. Ctrl S saves, then refresh the browse. Not body, not found of hello world. Hello guys, Java program written to this criteria. This criteria is body, write is for attribute, and write P attribute, paragraph attribute, then paragraph attribute ID name is Java 1. Now let program the Java document dot get element by ID, first bracket open, double quotation, paragraph ID name is Java 1. Java 1. Then dot inner HTML equal double quotation hello WORLD, hello world, and int semicolon. Ctrl S save, Ctrl S save, then refresh the browse. Hello world. Oh, look like scene, very good. Hello world. Now again is one attribute and paragraph attribute, and ID name is Java 2. Now drag the Java code, Ctrl C copy, right arrow, enter. Now write How are you? Control S save, then refresh. How are you? Why? Hello world. Where is hello world? Then Java 1 ID. Java 1 ID H4 paragraph আর H1 heading Java 2 ID. Then hello world 1 and hello to 2 Java 2 ID. Then 2 control S save, browse, refresh the browser. Hello world, how are you? Hello world. Java ID Java 1 hello world or Java 2 stay in how are you? Hello guys, how are you? This look nice. You better then this channel subscribes. Outsourcing Teaching BD Institute subscribes. Thank you for watching.